Uh-oh. Something's going on. Ooh. A little bit zoomed in there, bud. Zooming in. Sup, YouTube? What's going on? At Fred Easy here on this beautiful Sunday again. What are we doing? Working on some Mopars. My front turning signal is going a little fast there. That's usually an indicator that the bulb's out. So just gonna do a quick one for today. Show you where it's at. We're gonna be replacing it with a 4157 NAK amber turn signal bulb. Just pick it up at Canadian Tire or something like that. Yeah, it's fairly easy. Let's have at her. All right, so we're gonna take off this panel over here. Just pops off. All right, place the old bulb there, and then pop off. No idea what that is. Alright, so we're gonna go right there. Bulb in the middle. So you can see right here. Right. Gonna twist it off. Right out. Okay. Doing all one hand. Pop that out. Bob's your uncle. It is gone. So, another one here. Pop this baby on. Clicks in place. Back in. See that hole? Put that in the fucking hole. Twist it back on. There it is. I'm gonna put this panel back. It's all dirty. Some detailing soon. Flip it back in. Actually, while I'm at it, since we had this one off, we could easily take this one off. Let's take this one off for the right side. Alright, take that off. Set it to the side. And our guy is going to be right here. That's on the passenger side. But that one's fine, so we're not going to touch that. Just to show purposes. Throw that back on. Flip. Alright, that's that. So let's go check her out. Bob is now your uncle. Nice and easy, guys. Dang, it's hot out there. Alright guys, gonna enjoy the Sunday. It's a quick one on changing the turn signal. Subscribe, FedEasy21. Hit me up on Instagram, and check you guys later. Peace.